Model NM is a clamp with large, smooth gripping elements. Load capacities range from 1 up to 4 tons, and gripping ranges from 0 to 108 millimeters. When attaching the clamp model NM onto the load, the lifting shackle must be in the body of the clamp. Then the locking screw is adjusted until both gripping elements are attached to the load. Tighten the screw by adding a 3/4 turn anti-clockwise by means of a wrench. Now the clamp is firmly attached to the load and it can be lifted. It is the only clamp for this application with up to 4 tons load capacity.